Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to block websites in Safari on your MacBook. This is useful if you want to reduce distractions, block certain websites for kids, or prevent access to specific pages on your Mac. Let's go straight to it. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and open System Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click the Screen Time option. If Screen Time is currently turned off, enable it first because the website blocking feature depends on it. Now, inside Screen Time, look for Content and Privacy and open it. Turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions toggle if it is disabled. Now, look for the Web Content option. By default, it is usually set to unrestricted access. You'll now see different options, including Limit Adult Websites and Allowed Websites Only. For most people, the best option is Limit Adult Websites because it also allows you to manually block specific websites while still keeping normal browsing available. Select that option. Once selected, click the Customize button that appears below it. A new window will open showing allowed and restricted websites. Under the Restricted section, click the plus icon. Now type or paste the website address you want to block, such as youtube.com, then click Done. The website will now appear in the restricted list. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. After adding the website, click Done again to save all the changes and close System Settings. In some cases, the restriction applies instantly, but if the website still opens, simply restart your MacBook once. After restarting, Safari should block access to that website and show a restriction message when someone tries to visit it. There's also another useful option called Allowed Websites Only. If you select this mode, Safari will block every website except the ones you manually allow. This is especially useful for parental controls or school devices where only certain websites should be accessible. And that's it. You now know how to block websites in Safari on your MacBook using screen time restrictions. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.